ginagawa na ng sarili.
So here we are the next day. So yesterday we installed the Cusco Oil catch can and the Buddyclub Racing Spec Condenser tree. So what does the oil catch can do? It separates the oil so that it doesn't create a buildup on the intake manifold. While this spec condenser tree, according to the box, gives horsepower and torque, but in real life applications, what it does is make sure that your battery voltage are all in a safe level. So for example, if you have like a voltmeter and it says around 13.8 on idle, you'll see a significant boost, like around 14.1 or 14.2. So just make sure that your um, volt levels are safe, as well as it helps protect the battery from overloading if you have like lots of electrical equipments within your car. And actually, aside from that, I I was able to cop um, Honda Access. Let me go ahead. Honda Access. There you go. The Honda Access pillar lights. This actually costs a little too much for my taste, but I don't know. Sometimes you just have to um, buy things so that you kind of get tired of it, because you'll end up like having procrastinations if you don't. So yeah. So what it does is actually produce a blue light. I also actually purchased some foot lamps, Honda Axe foot lamps for this. I'll try to show it later to you. And there's the other one there. So yeah. Yesterday was a productive day. I was able to buy some parts that I will actually use. So yeah, that will be all for this. So here's a quick look on my engine bay. Peace.